If we were to tell you that this garment is made by recycling plastic PET bottles, would you believe it? Look up closely. Today, the world over, we are facing the problem of disposal of plastic, which is clogging up our landfills and oceans. In India alone, an estimated 70% of beach litter and over 8% of total solid wastes are plastic. Plastic, one of the most persistent pollutants on Earth, continues to create greenhouse emissions long after it has been discarded, thereby contributing to the hazards of global warming. Imagine, it takes more than 450 years for just one PET bottle to decompose, and we have billions of them being discarded every minute across the world. So, how do we check this mammoth global warming crisis and the ever-growing menace of solid and plastic wastes? The need of the hour is to adopt sustainable measures to recycle plastics and transform them into useful goods again. Sulochana, India's circular fashion expert, is the pioneer in bringing together sustainability and traceability with the largest recycling plant in South India, coupled with advanced blockchain technology, giving a brand new identity to discarded PET bottles. To get an exclusive sneak peek into our sustainable processes, walk through, see, and ask us questions. The very first step for us involves the collection of post-consumer PET bottles from individual rag pickers, scrap dealers, large vendors, government collection units. Every vendor's contribution is recorded using our advanced blockchain technology in order to facilitate seamless traceability by tracking every stage using a unique QR code. Now, in the next step, the flattened plastic bottle bales are taken to the factory where they are passed through a wash line and a state-of-the-art crushing machine to produce plastic flakes that are then sent to be melted. At Sulochana, precision and perfection are the cornerstones in manufacturing global standard quality products. We take utmost care in avoiding wastage of any byproducts during the process of recycling of PET bottles. During the process of making flakes from bottles, the labels and caps are properly eliminated from our process of making polyester fibre to be sent to other industrial applications. So, while the labels are recycled into fuel for the cement industry, the PP caps are converted into granules and used in making consumer goods, automotive applications, and industrial applications. The wash flakes are conveyed to silos, which undergo crystallization and drying to remove moisture. From here, it goes to the extruder where color master batches are added by an autodoser and the molten filament absorbs the desired color without a single drop of water, ensuring the best sustainable practices. The result is a staggering 50 different colored fibers produced using this process, thereby ensuring zero effluent discharge. The molten liquid is now passed through spinnerets to create multiple minute filaments, which are passed through the take-up area where multiple filaments from all the spinnerets combine to form a tow and are collected in a can. Tows from multiple cans now pass through the guide frame from where it is sent to the draw frame. Next process involves use of multiple tows that are passed through different sized cylindrical rollers. These are now allowed to pass through annealer rolls where heat setting takes place. The resultant tows undergo crimping, get dried and cut into the desired fiber length and get packed in bales of approximately 300 kilos. Our state-of-the-art plant is also equipped to manufacture recycled polyester filament and textured yarns without undergoing the fiber-making process. While conventionally filament yarns are made using crude oil and petroleum products, at Sulochana we use specialized machinery and processes by recycling of PET bottles to manufacture polyester yarn. During this stage, PET bottle flakes are passed through an extrusion machine. Next, color is added to the filaments using a master batch followed by cooling of the filaments. They are further passed through a winder and a texturizing machine to make filament yarn ready for knitting and weaving. At Sulochana, the ability to utilize unique processes gives our company a leading-edge advantage over our competitors. As of today, Sulochana recycles a whopping 7 million PET bottles per day. That is, over 2.5 billion bottles are transformed in a year. About 1 ton of recycled plastic saves 5,774 kilowatt hours of energy, which is sufficient to light up one entire village for more than 3 days. And our 130 tons of production capacity per day is only growing and saving the environment one PET bottle at a time. What truly sets apart Sulochana is our vision towards a brighter tomorrow by making the company 100% sustainable through our greener endeavors, ensuring zero effluent discharges. So come, travel with us through this exciting journey. Feel free to touch and feel the products for a real-time hands-on experience. Sulochana is among the very few recycled filament yarn manufacturers that are able to produce dope-dyed filament yarn, thereby saving millions of liters of water.